Hi, I'm Raf, and this is another video about QoS. So this week, we've actually started making a user interface. Obviously not very good user interface, but it's a lot better than last week. So what we're able to do now is actually have simple interaction via a user interface. For example, here, you can see we've got QoS setup process at the top in a box, and then enter your name to assign this computer. Like the computer name, so like Raf PC. And then you can do enter your username to assign to your QoS user account. I'm just going to do Raf. And then enter a password to protect your account. So I'm going to type in a password. Let's just type in like hi as my password. Hi, I am Raf. Hi is not a very good password. And then this is just mainly just to prove that we're able to do this, but allow QoS to record information about your computer, and then we've got yes, no, and cancel. We can type Y to choose yes, N to choose no, and C to choose cancel. So we'll just go, for example, Y, and there you go. Locked. Enter your password to unlock your account. So, hi, I am Raf. I'm pretty sure that's what I typed, yeah. So if you do it correctly, it will just unlock like this. And as you can see, we've got a much better interface now. I think it's amazing what we've already got. Yeah, that's a slight bug. We don't really fit, nothing really fits on the screen now, but it doesn't matter, it still works. So working commands, here's the working commands and stuff. We can, for example, just do clear test strb. So as you can see, the commands are still working. Commands, I don't think much has changed. I'll just see. Is there anything of this is new? I'm pretty sure not. One thing I did change is now when you type files, you don't get billions of files listed at you, and only the ones you actually want. And then if you want to see the files inside the me directory, you can do that. Files, me, / and there's all the files inside the me directory. This doesn't mean we've got actual directory support. It just means that I put some code that let you do that. The other main change with the UI is now we can go system log out, and we get taken back to the log screen. And as you can see, it's noting that our account is locked, and we need to enter a password to unlock your account. So the password we chose was hi, I am Raf. And as you can see, it does show up as password letters. So that's good. But let's just delete one of those letters there to make it incorrect. And as you can see, it says invalid password. You have to do enter or C for cancel. And I'm not sure why we should put C there. Probably not very good, but yeah, you can cancel or accept that. I don't know why you'd want to cancel that, because there's not really any point. So we'll just enter hi, I am Bob, and then as you can see, invalid password. We'll enter some random numbers, invalid password, and we'll enter the correct password, hi, I am Raf, and it unlocks it. So we've actually got simple user accounts working now, which is actually a really good thing, and it's going to let us do a lot more things. Oh yeah, there is something that changed. Sorry. Writer now actually says what you type. So for example, we type hi, this is a small document, and yeah, so then we'll just hit Control Z to exit, and we're taken back to this. We don't now just get the Q-kernel prompt below that, and you'll notice that the heading part is actually different, and also that you probably already noticed this, but as we type commands, the heading will not move down, it always will stay there. We'll just set, for example, 38 to be X, and then we'll calc X plus 3, 41, and as you can see, it just goes back up to the top of the screen, and our introduction bit there doesn't move at all, which is very good, I think. We're also now able to go, actually we can't do that. We can do that, but it's not in this build of the ISO, because I have to build it, then put it on USB and boot into that to run it here, and I don't want to have to do all that just to make this video, and I'd already built this copy of the ISO and put it on USB and burnt it and stuff. So I'm just using this version, which is only one commit behind the most recent version. So we've got arguments all fixed, and they were a little bit broken last week, mostly good though. And yeah, so now we go writer again. As you can see, here's our document. We can't actually edit this document now, we have to start a new one, so we'll go, hi, this is another document, and it has nothing to do with the original document. And then this is the problem. As soon as I press N, it's going to overwrite that little line there. And then it goes back onto the next line. And then we'll go exit, writer, And there's our document. But there's a problem with new lines. Basically, we go high, 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 more high. We go exit, and then we go writer. You can see it does that. So that's a bug. We need to fix that. Maybe replace all the spaces that are more than 5 spaces in a row with a new line character or something, which is basically just \n. And \n, you can't like try to hack it or whatever by just entering \n's and expecting it to show as a new line. So we can't, for example, go hi, this is a new line. That will just show that hi, this is a new line. And as you can see also, it didn't keep the changes from before. As I said, we can only edit one document at a time, so now that will just show us nothing. Or not. Anyway, that's probably all that changed. Like, it probably seems like not much. It probably isn't much, but it's really good for me and for most people working on QoS that we've actually made this much progress because we've got a simple user interface. So I'm just going to now boot into the version of QoS we had last week and just compare the two side by side in a virtual machine. Okay. So I will just get this here. And then here is QoS this week, and then here's QoS last week. Seriously. Look how much better that looks. Oh yeah, me is so good now. Look at this. Look at this. It's so good. It's actually got proper prompts, and this is how it looked last week. We have to type it in. What is your name? I put 2002 as my name. I'm really clever. So we'll just enter our survey thing. I know that's not my city and all, but I'm just making it go away because it doesn't verify your city. The only two things it doesn't verify is your name and city. And as you can see, I put both of them wrong because I'm really skilled and stuff. So we'll go back here. Look how much better this setup is. If we put the wrong thing, it will just give us the prompt again. Maybe we could have like a thing that says invalid or something, or it pops up above like it does in the setup where I've got two windows and one of them say invalid and the other would say just like, hi, welcome to the world. I don't know. What year were you born in? We were born in 2002 on the 3rd. No, it was actually the 11th month. It was April. Australia, Victoria. Yeah, I don't know what city. Oh yeah, Melbourne. 3068. And there you go. It's done. So that was very simple. And now we can use me. And it is so fast using the me verb translator thing on this computer compared to my other computer, which is meant to be a really good computer and it's got like lots of RAM and stuff, but I don't know. Watch. Look how fast that is. Is it just me or is that ridiculously fast? So I hope that you liked this video and I hope it was interesting. And if you really liked it, then you could subscribe, but it's okay, you don't need to subscribe and stuff because I'm nice. Yep. So I don't really know what else to say. Bye bye.